Hello guys, welcome to my channel today, and in today's tutorial I'll be teaching you how to lock your private chat on your WhatsApp. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive in. So the first thing you have to do is to go to your WhatsApp app. Once you go to your WhatsApp app, then you select the chat you want to lock, the particular chat you want to lock. So I'll be selecting this one where the arrow is pointing right now for the purpose of today's tutorial. Once you click on the chat, the next thing you go is to click on where this arrow is pointing at right now. Once you click there, after clicking there, you click on lock in chat lock. Just put it on. Then you put your fingerprint. They require your fingerprint. Then you put your fingerprint there. Once you put your fingerprint, boom, the chat has been locked. So let's see what we just did. So this is a locked chat. As you can see, locked chat. So let's tap on it. That's where you can be seeing those chats. And before you see it, you have to insert your fingerprint there. So this is it. So please, if you find this video helpful, please do well to subscribe to this channel, share this video, and like and give this video a thumbs up. Let's go. See you in my next video. Bye.